Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zulqarnain bin Muthaza. My metric number is CN190048. I'm from 3BNE. So today I want to show you how to create a new IGSS project. Okay, from this slide, this the interface. So this one we use IGSS version 15. So you can see this software is don't have a project yet, but if you already have a project but you want to create a new project, you just click stop at this home button. Will appear the stop button, and after the project is stop, you can create a new. So I will show you step by step how to create a new project wizard. So first one, we click pro this one, project wizard. Okay, so will be display the welcome to project wizard. So click next. Click create a new JSS. Click next. So your name for your project. For me is now I go to the exercise 2. So I put exercise 2. Exercise 2. So the location I put drive on the driver C. The in the folder IGSS COVID. So if you want to change to driver D or another driver and rename the folder, you can also do this. So I just click next. So I click server. This one I click server. After because we want to do the server, we click server, and we click next. Okay, for this unique name, you can change it, but I don't want to change. So we use IGSS server because I want to show you how to make a server project for IGSS. So this one we will use the IC IP control protocol. We use C70 S7 TCP. Okay, this one is from the cement. So we see the ID 72 is 72. Okay, this one 72 70 S7 TCP, which is Siemens S7 TCP IP protocol driver. So we click. So interface for new one is 0. We don't put yet. So the node also 0. So that we click next. We click next. So we use add an operator. Add an operator section, which mean we use to control control the system and the server by using the operator. So assign, we use this one. Click assign with OP1. OP1. So OP1. So operator one lah. This one we symbol. So click next. So IP address for this training purpose, I will put either number of IP address which is 10.168.21.118. But in the reality server you need to put your own IP address, which is if you want to create in laptop, you need to IP address laptop, or you need to IP address PC, which you want to create in PC. Okay. So after we put the IP address, we click next. So and after we go after we click we put the IP address, we click finish. Okay, so the system after that system configuration will be display. So we click server, this one, we click right click, we click this PC. Okay, this PC to set up the IGSS server, this one lah. So if one is have two IGSS server, as with this 3, we need to just this and click just that. So for setup global parameter, this one we want to set up the global parameter. We just go to configuration, and if you want to change, you can see the project name file. I put just right now C driver. I put a folder and put a exercise 2. For the report folder, also we use a igss folder in the same driver, so it's easy to see after if you want to see the report. So scan interval millisecond in a millisecond. So we put the for first row is 2000, second is 5000, 8000 and 12000. So this one is 2000, 5000, 10,000, 30,000. So these two last in need to change for 10 to 8, from 30 to 12,000. Okay, so long change it. We need to change to 1, 2, 5, and 15. So base interval is 2, 5, 10, and 20. This one we change to 20. So after you change it, you click file location, file this one. We go to data size. Data size within the data group that you transfer from the server to the to the operator. So in the data size group, just put this log file to 72 hours, which mean the system we able to save the data from the log file in for 72 hours. Okay, after that we go to access control. Access control, we disable the access control box. Make sure disable alarm, the disable access call is selected. So I already ticked it. So we go move to the alarm. Alarm, we make sure the alarm counter group. Where is alarm counter group? Okay. Alarm counter, the display alarm count icon. I will already select display system tray icon, this one. Okay. And enable the count number of alarm. Enable this one. Okay. Okay. Three things from alarm is already selected. So we go to supervise and language tab. Supervise and language tab. On this tab, we use data. We use allow diagram move, allow graph move and resize, enable hit, alarm menu, and show active server in the status bar. Show a status bar. Okay. Okay, after that, go to the setup, click setup. Okay, we move to the setup, which in this one, the setup. Click on the setup tab, you click auto option. Okay, auto option. And then move to data collection. In data collection group, select run simulate. Okay. In advanced, you click validate input value, and enable calculation at the runtime. Okay, we move to the report. On this report, in line 2, we put training plan, because I use this for this one is for training. So the line 2, we put training workshop. Okay. For the logo file, you go to browser, you go to igss32. version 15 because my IGSS version 15. Go to GSS demo, go to image, and go select icon. So this one is the logo. So double click, and the logo is filled. So after that, after we set up the parameter global, we click save. Okay, save. We click save, and I click file and exit. So uh this display we call save possible change to your driver, your file in driver C. I put in driver C the folder. Okay, also okay. If you okay, you click yes. Okay. So before the last step before you run or you run or start your project, you must check it first. Other the last setup is in a good condition or not. So would like to do that now? Yes, must be right now. So we click in before we installation for this training. I click do not generate report because they have no report uh, for this exercise. So do not report error also this include. So just click OK. Installation progression. So if you want to see this system is already in my plan, we call it exercise 2. So I think this all for me, Muhammad Zulqarnain Muthaza, to show how to create the IGSS project wizard on the exercise 2 Schneider electrical training. That's all for me. Thank you.